What is going on, traders? We got crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the trades the Daily Sniper Discord ended up taking, as well as preparing you guys for the best setups at the best prices. Yes, I woke up extremely sick, guys. I have strep throat, but I'm here to give you guys the best setups to be trading. Let's get into today's video. Yesterday was no news Mondays, okay? There wasn't a lot of movement on Mondays, guys, especially with no news. But at the beginning of the morning in the pre-market, we had a nice sloping support, okay? And we had a nice sloping support and sloping resistance. This morning, we ended up breaking through it. I ended up having a red day, right? I like to be transparent as possible. Today was a red day for myself. Why? This was my call zone, 578.73, but I didn't like it, right? We had a gap to fill at 579.04. Ended up being a gap close reversal. I wasn't trusting it, so I missed out on the morning. As soon as it came back up to 580, I'm like, this is my level too short. I ended up buying in here, doubling down at 580.50, and we were seeing so much weakness here. There's red line, the 200 EMA on the 5-minute and on the 30-minute. This was a good short, potential good short. We could have collapsed to a new low of day. As soon as this big freaking candle comes in, of course, I stop out. Next candle, story of my freaking life story of a lot of you traders. You stop out of a trade, ends up going your way. It happens. I took my L and I sat on it for the day. It wasn't nothing too big, but that's exactly what happened. So when it comes to a strategy that I teach, right, a strategy that I live by is a gap close reversal, right? PCP, the previous closing price. There's a gap at all times. We call it the gap close reversal. It's either going to be a gap and go, or we're going to reverse at the gap. If we end up gapping down and come up to the gap, we're hitting puts. We come back down, we're going to end up hitting calls for the reversal. Today, which is another part of the gap close reversal, it's called the gap and go. This red dotted line was previous closing price. We kept breaking above it and holding this level as a support. That is why we ended up going higher. Today was a gap and go trade. I took my L in the morning, first things first, and I didn't feel like trading. I didn't like the price action. Look at the price action. Look how many hours we spent just going nowhere. Going up a little, consolidating, dipping. Going up a little, consolidating, dipping, right? So I want to tell you guys or show you guys something, okay? There's something that's called forexfactory.com. This is what we use every single day to look for the news, okay? So tomorrow is Wednesday, October 30th. What do we have, right? We have a little bit of news at 8:15 a.m., right? We have some orange folders at 10 a.m. Not too much. Let's go into tomorrow, 2 days from now on Thursday. We have PCE. We have unemployment claims. This is what's going to move the market. And when you look at Friday, we got a bunch of red folders as well. The market is waiting on this move. Our Fed is waiting for data. It's data dependent, our Fed, right now. So every day, we're going day to day. The market is bullish. Yes, higher highs, higher lows. We broke out of a downtrend. Yes, I get it. But everything is data dependent. So you need to be very, very careful. So what are the best levels to be shorting at? Okay. Between 584.50 and 585 are my levels to be shorting at, right? We want to be shorting the highs, shorting the highs, right? A big resistance zone is a good level to be shorting, right? Where's a good level to be buying calls at? So let's just zoom out and look. So this morning where we bounced off of 578.73, obviously you look at here, it was a great level, right? 580 is a great level. We also have 581, which is a big level. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see how big and significant this level is and how SPY reacts to this level intraday. Yes, we break beneath of it, but we're bouncing. We break beneath of it, but we're bouncing. We use it as resistance. We fall off a cliff. As resistance, fall off a cliff. Use that as support, higher resistance, right? So 581 is going to be one of the make it, break it levels for SPY. I want to be buying calls around the 581 as soon as we break 581 and bring 580 calls deep in the money. I do want to be hitting puts at 585. As soon as we break over it, it's no man's land. We got data coming out. We have the presidential elections happening next Thursday. The market's going to be volatile. You need to buy in and scalp the move. Get the hell out, right? You need to take your losses quick and your losses and your winner. You got to take your winners quickly and your losses even quicker, guys. You have to be paying attention. You have to be sniping this. We don't want to be holding. Yes, everything's starting to build up. Everything's starting to go up. Crypto, a lot of liquidity is getting built up. I get it. Just be careful, right? You don't need to hold. You don't need to swing trade. Buy the best levels possible and sell the move at all times. The Daily Sniper is the last day we are having the Daily Sniper. We are doing a complete change, guys, just to have a better product to help better serve all of our customers, guys. I'm very excited to share this with you. Please stay up to date in tomorrow's video, guys. Big news. If you would like to be a part of the Daily Sniper, today is the last day officially. The link is in the bio. Use code MONEY at checkout, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Thank you guys for being here. Take care, and stay green, guys.